Bitcoin just went parabolic. You won't believe what's next. Hey everyone, it's Ben Dingle, and buckle up because the crypto world is absolutely on fire right now. Bitcoin just smashed past $57,000, meme coins are exploding like it's 2021 again, and we've got everyone from German lawmakers to Peter Schiff making headlines with their Bitcoin takes. Get ready for a roller coaster ride of insights and revelations as we explore these electrifying topics. Make sure you stick around to the very end of this video, because I'm going to reveal the single biggest mistake I see people making in this market. An expensive mistake that could be costing you thousands. Share your thoughts and engage with us in the comments. It's going to be a thrilling episode. Alright, let's dive right into the action. This weekend, Bitcoin decided to defy all expectations and surged past that $57,000 mark. Now, you might be thinking, okay, Ben, that's cool and all, but Bitcoin's been known to be volatile. And you'd be absolutely right. But here's the kicker. It wasn't just Bitcoin having its moment in the sun. One popular meme coin, and I'm not going to name names just yet, decided to join the party and skyrocketed by a mind-blowing 40%. Now, we've got to dissect this. What on earth triggered this massive leap, both in Bitcoin and this mysterious, high-flying meme coin? Are we seeing the early signs of another Bitcoin bull run, or is this just a temporary blip in the radar? I want to hear from you guys. What are your thoughts on the recent surge in Bitcoin's price? Do you think it will continue to rise, or are we headed for a correction? Let me know in the comments down below. Hold on to your hats, folks, because things are about to get really interesting. In a move that sent shockwaves through the financial world, a prominent German lawmaker has publicly rejected the digital euro. You heard that right, they're saying nay to the digital euro, and instead, get this, throwing their full support behind Bitcoin as the ultimate defense against central bank digital currencies, those CBDCs everyone's been buzzing about. Now, this is huge. Germany, being one of the leading economies in Europe, taking such a bold stance against the digital euro and embracing Bitcoin? That's a game changer. So, what's the story here? What led to this surprising pivot, and what does it mean for the future of money, not just in Europe, but globally? This is where things get really fascinating. The lawmaker's argument is that CBDCs, like the digital euro, would give central banks way too much control over people's finances. They argue that Bitcoin, being decentralized and independent of any government or financial institution, is the true answer to safeguarding individual financial freedom. It's a clash of ideologies, a battle for the future of money itself. What do you guys think? Do you support the German lawmaker's stance on Bitcoin over a digital euro? Is this the beginning of a wider movement against CBDCs? Let's discuss in the comments. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Ben, you're bringing Peter Schiff into this? The guy who's been predicting Bitcoin's demise since day one? Well, hold on a second, because even a broken clock is right twice a day, right? Peter Schiff, the Bitcoin skeptic himself, is back at it again. He's claiming that a recent Bitcoin crash, and there have been a few dips lately, has completely shattered a fundamental myth about the cryptocurrency. Now, I'm not saying I agree with him, but I do think it's important to hear what he has to say and then analyze it together. Schiff argues that this recent crash disproves the idea of Bitcoin being a safe haven asset, something that people turn to during times of economic uncertainty. He points to the fact that Bitcoin fell alongside the stock market, indicating that it's not as independent and resilient as many Bitcoin proponents claim. So, is he right? Are his assertions grounded in reality, or is this just another one of his attempts to undermine Bitcoin's credibility? I'm genuinely curious to hear your thoughts on this. Do you agree with Peter Schiff's views on Bitcoin? What do you think is the biggest myth about Bitcoin? Let's have a respectful and insightful discussion in the comments. Alright, enough with the doom and gloom. Let's talk about something a little more uplifting, shall we? Imagine Bitcoin as a delicious snack, ripe for the taking. That's exactly what one leading crypto analyst is suggesting with their latest bullish signal. Crypto analyst. I'm talking about a major indicator that's been flashing green, hinting at a potential Bitcoin surge in the near future. This analyst, who's known for their accurate predictions in the past, believes that several factors are aligning perfectly for Bitcoin to make a significant move upwards. They point to the increasing institutional adoption of Bitcoin, the growing global interest in cryptocurrencies, and the limited supply of Bitcoin as major drivers for this potential bull run. This isn't just some random person on Twitter making wild guesses, either. This analyst has a proven track record and their insights are highly respected within the crypto community. Alright, everyone, I need you to listen closely because things are about to get real. One of the top crypto traders just issued a chilling warning about a potential Bitcoin capitulation, and it's giving everyone flashbacks to November 2018. Remember what happened back then? Bitcoin took a nosedive, leaving a lot of investors in a world of hurt. Top trader. Now, this trader, who's known for their accurate market analysis, believes that we're on the verge of a similar scenario. They argue that after a massive range breakdown, a technical term for a significant drop below a critical support level, Bitcoin is showing all the classic signs of an impending capitulation event. This means that a wave of panic selling could be triggered, sending Bitcoin's price tumbling down even further. I know this isn't what you want to hear, but I'd rather be upfront and honest with you than sugarcoat the situation. The trader's analysis is based on solid technical indicators and historical market data, so it's definitely something we need to take seriously. Alright, so you're ready to dive headfirst into the exciting world of leveraged Bitcoin trading, hoping to multiply your gains. Hold your horses for a second. A seasoned Bitcoin analyst just dropped a truth bomb that might make you reconsider your strategy, especially if you're thinking about using Bitcoin futures. Bitcoin analyst. This analyst argues that, contrary to popular belief, buying Bitcoin futures might not be the smartest move for those looking to leverage their long positions. They point out that the inherent volatility of the crypto market, combined with the complexities of futures contracts, can expose traders to significant risks, potentially even wiping out their entire investment. Now, you might be thinking, what's the alternative then, Ben? How can I leverage my Bitcoin holdings without getting burned? Well, this analyst suggests exploring other options, such as trading Bitcoin options or using decentralized finance, DeFi, lending platforms. These alternatives, they argue, offer a more controlled and potentially less risky approach to leverage trading. So, there you have it, folks, another wild week in the world of Bitcoin. From soaring prices to dire warnings, it seems like this cryptocurrency just can't stay out of the headlines. But before you rush off to make any hasty decisions, I want to leave you with this. The biggest mistake I see people making with Bitcoin is not doing their own research. Don't just blindly follow the hype or listen to every talking head on YouTube, including me. Take the time to understand how Bitcoin works, the risks involved, and what your own investment goals are. Share your thoughts and engage with us in the comments. It's going to be a thrilling episode.